there, how are you doing? I hope you're having a good day, and if not, I hope I can make it a little better. I thought it was about time we revisited the Demonic Artefacts series. So hold on to your hats, we're going to draw something creepy. So we did the most obvious demonic artifact last time, which was a planchette. And I thought I didn't want to be stereotypical with all of these. You know, I wanted to have a bit of fun, because though I like creepy things, I'm not a particularly creepy person. You know, I don't have like a gothic aesthetic or anything like that. So I thought it would be fun to sort of mess around with the concept of the demonic artifact. So I kind of thought, what's like, most things that are considered demonic are old, you know, like haunted dolls, haunted houses. So I thought to myself, what's kind of like oldish, but like not super old, not Victorian, not ancient. So what I came up with is a flip phone. So this demonic artifact is going to be a flip phone. Did you guys have a flip phone when they were first a thing? Do you have one now? I did not. I like the look of them. I definitely liked the look of them back in the day. My first phone was a Nokia 3210. And I think I stuck with Nokia. I don't think they ever did a flip phone. Feel free to correct me in the comments. But yes, I didn't have one then, and I do not have one now. But I have to say, modern flip phones look a bit exciting, don't they? And actually, as a homage to classic 90s, early noughties phones, I'm putting a classic 90s, early noughties game on my phone. Can you guess what it is? I was really sad when I got my first phone and it did not have this game on it. Not that I was ever any good at it, mind. Have you guessed what it is? It's Snake! Oh, it's obviously a snake. And the other cool thing I liked about flip phones that you never got on a Nokia was the little bit that you could dangle stuff off. Now, because this is a demonic artifact, I feel like we can't dangle anything cute off it. So let's dangle some bones. I know, they're looking like finger bones. So I don't know if the owner of this phone is missing a finger to make their charm. That will surround our flip phone. As Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of the telephone, was Scottish, I'll be theming the flowers all around Scottish flowers. This first flower is the mountain avon, a tiny rose. Next up, I'm drawing a thistle, though right now it looks more like an artichoke. I promise I'll correct that later. I'm sketching in mountain heather. So I feel we can't talk about haunted flip phones without mentioning the film's One Missed Call. Have you seen it? Either the American or the Japanese versions, or any of the sequels in fact. I have to admit, I haven't seen any of them, but they are definitely on my to-watch list. Hi, I'm back after my tea and Colin the Caterpillar break. It was rather good. I have corrected my thistle so that it now actually looks like a thistle rather than the artichoke that I drew. So, let's get inking. Around now, I had to finally settle on a colour for the flip phone. Was it going to be grey and boring? Or maybe pink galaxy? I wonder which one I chose. odd numbers and highlights using a white gel pen. And there we have it. One demonic but adorable flip phone. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. I'd love to hear in the comments what you enjoyed most. If you could subscribe and share this video, it would be amazing. You can also find me on Instagram at Enchanted Violin. Link is in the description box, along with the link to my online comic companions and all my other social media links. Well, anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye!